In this video, I'm going to show you how you can make $100 per day just by sharing videos, and it's 100% legit. As you know me guys, I'm always straightforward. So guys, before we begin this video, my name is Yavar Khan. I create a lot of videos about how to make money online, affiliate marketing, and I am 100% straight to the point, no bullshit, and just transparent. So guys, let's get started. So first things first, I'm going to show you how you can make $100 per day. So first things first, as you could see on my screen, this is the website called Rumble. It's called rumble.com. Again, so this is a platform just like YouTube, but then it pays you as how much views you get. So as you could see over here on the right, this video has earned $11, this video has earned $26, and you can see by this. So first things first, this is rumble.com. so people who don't know Rumble, guess what guys, so as you could see, the total visit for this website is around 115 million. Okay, so imagine, and day by day it's increasing. Okay, mostly from United States. So when you upload a video, so if people watch, they look at the advertisement and you make money. It's as simple as that. So first things first, go on YouTube. So let's say we'll search about yoga. Okay, so first things first, let's search about yoga. And very important is Creative Commons. Okay, which means you can use these videos. So as you could see, this one has got this much amount of views, something which has a lot of views. So we could say view count. So let's say morning stretch. Imagine this one has got 12 million views. Okay, so for best thing is just go over here on Rumble, sign in, register. So just sign in with Google. So once you're over here, just sign in. So just create your account. I would suggest go with the free account, because for publisher they charge you per year, but then the money you get is a little more. But I would always suggest start with the free account. So guys, once I register, so this is how my account looks. All you have to do is just upload a video. Okay, you can go live as well. That's a separate video to create. So once I do my verification, proceed to account verification. So just let me verify. So guys, once you register, once you verify yourself, let's say we found this video, we can just open this video, copy this, go on any of the sites which can download YouTube video. You can just click on download and you can just get the video. So once I get this over here, just download the video. So once the video is downloaded, I could go over here and upload it. And also guys, in my previous videos I've showed you that you can create videos without even showing your face. Okay, so one of the websites which you could use is InVideo, where you can create videos without showing your face. Even this is very good. And then just start uploading your videos over here, and as people view, you'll get money. And again, one more bonus tip which I could give you is, what you could do is you can make additional money by promoting yoga products on the video. So just in the description, make sure you add your link over here for this clickbank product, and you can make around $136. And you can do a lot more, but this is the basics right now. And I hope you really enjoy the video, and I think so that's it for today. Yavar Khan signing off.